It's much easier to insert a tampon when you're relaxed. It usually takes a few tries before being able to comfortably insert a tampon, so don't worry. Refer to the instructions so you know what to do. Take soap and water to wash your hands properly. Dry your hands and unwrap the tampon. Get comfortable. Try sitting on the toilet with knees apart or standing with one foot on the toilet seat. Insert the applicator by holding the applicator plunger, using your thumb and middle finger. Place the applicator tip into your vagina at a 45 degrees angle. Now, gently slide the smooth, tapered applicator all the way into your vagina until your fingers touch your body. Push the tampon inside by pushing the plunger all the way into the barrel with your pointer finger. This will release the tampon. The plunger should now be inside the barrel. Still holding the plunger, gently pull out the two-piece applicator. The tampon should now be comfortably inside you, in its precise place with the strings outside your body. After you have inserted the tampon, place the used applicator back into the discreet wrapper and throw away. Do not flush the plastic applicator. Any discomfort? The tampon may not be far enough inside. If this happens, just remove the tampon and try again with a new one. You won't feel anything when the tampon is correctly in place. Relax your muscles. Removing a tampon might seem painful, but it's only uncomfortable if your muscles are clenched. Try getting into the position you used during insertion. Slowly tug the string at the end of the tampon and gently pull down on the strings. Dispose of the tampon by place in an appropriate waste container.